in. These are huddles and meetings that are taking place. The Defence Minister meeting the CDS and the Tri-Services Chief, the Director General BSF, Director General CISF and top officials from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Home Minister, of course, remember, while has been already tracking in real time about what has been unfolding. However, to review the border situation at 12:30. Remember, Pakistan attempting to now disturb areas in Rajasthan, specifically border areas in Rajasthan and up toward Jammu and Kashmir. However, our air defense system, our boots on the ground, the BSF especially on the border and across Rajasthan, ensuring that our civilians are kept safe. This is the CDS and Tri-Services meeting that is set to take place where the Defence Minister will review the status. I want to immediately bring in Piyush Mishra for the latest on that. Piyush, tell me more about what to take away from this meeting, because the focus in many ways, while has been the border of Jammu Kashmir, international border and line of control, but it's toward Rajasthan as well, especially Jaisalmer, where we are looking at how Pakistan is trying to infiltrate and cause tension.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. Amidst the rising tensions there at LOC and the kind of attempts those have been made by Pakistan, we are now seeing as to how Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is chairing this meeting. This meeting is right now underway there at the North Block at the Ministry of Defence. In this meeting, CDS Anil Chauhan, Army Chief General Upendra Trivedi, along with them, IF Chief, Navy Chief are present, and most importantly, Defence Secretary is also there. So that's very important meeting which is right now going on at the Defence Ministry, and this meeting is taking place after the attack which was done by Pakistan and the retaliatory actions those have been taken by India and a befitting response which has been given to Pakistan. Remember that yesterday Pakistan attacked India and it used different kinds of drones, but yes, our different missile system reacted back, and not even one place has been hit, no casualty, no nothing has been affected because of the Pakistan's attack. But yesterday what has happened on that, all those movements we are now hearing is that a Defence Minister is chairing a meet. It's a very big meet, crucial meet, which is now underway here at Defence Ministry, which is being chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, in which CDS, along with him, all Tri-Service Chiefs are present, and also Defence Secretary is there. Most likely, a report is being sought about the operations those were carried out by India, and after this meet, we can expect another meeting between Rajnath Singh and PM Narendra Modi.
That is crucial. Piyush, let's talk about that. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who according to your sources have been, of course, consistently tracking in real time the operations that are happening, but this is a part of protocol. There is a briefing that does take place. Tell me about how our top ministers, the Home Minister, the Defence Minister, the Prime Minister of the country, throughout the night, I'm sure, have been tracking operations that have been happening. And what a proud moment on how India managed to defend its civilians, especially when those projectiles came toward our skies. Piyush.
Well, Pooja, we not only defended, but we also reacted back. We gave a retaliatory response, a befitting response to Pakistan, and on all the developments, these meetings are going on. What we're now learning from our sources is that not only Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, but PM Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, all the top leaders of the government were making a tight vigil. They were keeping a close watch on each and every development. Sources have also told us that PM Narendra Modi himself was monitoring all the developments when Pakistan tried to attack India, and we defended ourselves. What we are also told is that PM Narendra Modi, who is right now there at 7 Lok Karan Marg, has also been briefed by the top officials. Throughout the night, he was keeping a watch on all the developments. As we are speaking, Rajnath Singh is holding a meeting at 12:30. What we are told is that BSF officials meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah is also likely to take place at 12:30 p.m. So series of meetings are taking place, and these meetings have one objective: how to strengthen our forces and how to make a more combat strategy to give a more retaliatory and a befitting response to Pakistan. We have already shown the face to Pakistan. We have already taught them a lesson not once but twice, and how to move ahead and what kind of strategy we should have on that. The discussions are underway here at Defence Ministry, and at 12:30, Home Minister Amit Shah will hold another meeting.
Stay on with me. The Border Security Force has managed to foil infiltration bids, whether it is in Samba in Jammu Kashmir, along Rajasthan border as well. Remember, India-Pakistan share a border of over 3,000 kilometers, and that is where it's as much about the boots on the ground, the Border Security Force. Then there is, of course, the CISF that is part of ensuring with regard to security checks. And, of course, there are the defense systems. What a sleepless night it turned out to be. But however, a moment to remember how our armed forces and the political will united with the citizens of this country to ensure Pakistan does not succeed in its nefarious attempts.